Ipopost ko na lang po yung video, pero ang TLDR nito, naglaro ng racing si iShowSpeed at saka si Ashton Hall. Now, kilala niyo naman siguro si iShowSpeed, di ba? Pero si Ashton Hall, medyo kung hindi kayo masyadong tutok sa internet, siya yung nag-viral. Siguro mas maganda ipakita na lang natin yung viral videos niya. So, siya yan. Ayan. So, skip ko na lang ng konti kasi malamang naaalala nyo na to eh. Yung parang ano siya, kultado na yung oras niya, and then medyo ridiculous yung mga pinagagawa niyang morning routine. Something that a normal person wouldn't do, pero I don't know kung bakit ganun. Siguro it's just for the sake of virality. Pero bentang-benta siya from nung time na nag-viral siya hanggang ngayon. So nagkaroon sila ng tamang call out ni iShowSpeed. Siguro mas maganda ipakita ko sa inyo 'yon. So ito yung video na nagkaroon sila ng call out ni Ashton Hall. Okay?
I'm gonna try to talk him out of the race one more time because I really don't want to embarrass little bro. You know, he's got a lot of things going, bro. His career is booming right now. His name is iShowSpeed. Like,
yun. So, very confident kasi kasi di ba merong isang video si Ashton Hall na tumatakbo siya. Tapos si Speed kasi, ang bentahe niya is mabilis talaga siya and he is really fast. I heard na ititrain yata siya ni Usain Bolt, one of the fastest man alive, para mas mag-improve pa siya. I mean, he's a young kid and he's totally improving. Wala pa siya siguro sa peak niya as an athlete. And si Ashton Hall naman, physicality kasi yung isang sa main ano niya eh. Kasi kita nyo, he's very well built, and then maganda yung katawan niya, di ba? Tapos meron siya mga videos na tumatakbo siya. So ito naman yung side ni iShowSpeed na tumatrash talk siya kay Ashton Hall. Pero ito pa yung prior to the racing.
Because you a fraud, man. You a fraud.
Yeah, always be the ones just talking so much.
Because you a fraud. You a fraud. That's why I'm talking like this. Because you talking crazy.
Ngayon, hindi clear kasi kung may usapan sila na pwede trash tukan. Okay? Pero drama kasi, of course, kailangan i-hype nila. So, ayan na. Dito yung part na nagkita na sila. Pero may postahan pa to eh. Ayan, I think yung mga malalaking streamers din, yung mga sila Aiden Ross, pumusta din sila ng malaki. Eto, pakinggan natin to.
Let's go 60.
Let's go 60.
I'll give you time.
We can do 60. Come on, bro. It don't matter. We can do 60.
I've been doing this too long. I ain't lost no races.
Yeah, so kita nyo, nagtatrash tukan sila dyan. Okay, so and nung nagkita sila, nagtrash tukan pa sila. Marami siyang clip dyan, pero I'm just giving you a sense na seryoso talaga sila dito.
It's time for me to expose Ashton Hall. Speed versus Ashton Hall. Let's get this shit right. It's over for you. Go!
Yan. So yan, talo si Ashton dyan.
I'm out! Fuck out of here! What I say? What I say?
O sige, isa lang muna yung papanoorin natin kasi for copyright purposes. Pero ang summary nito is nagkaroon sila ng 4 na race and sorry si Ashton Hall. Kaso yung aftermath nito kasi yung parang pinaka mainline drama na kumakalat ngayon sa internet. So after nyan, meron pang mga choice words na sinabi si iShowSpeed kay Ashton Hall. Pakinggan natin.
What do you do next? I don't even know, bro. That's just GG's, bro. Like, I'm gonna be honest, bro. He gonna have to live with that for the rest of his life now. For the rest of his Instagram, his social career. He gonna have to live with that for the rest of his life. He lost his speed 4 times. He did it to his own self, Chad. He called me out. He thought I was easy pickings. You know, I get it. He want the views. He want the hype. You know, he want the likes. He want that Instagram video. But you took me for granted, bro. He caught off the wrong one.
Well, in fairness naman kay Speed talaga, he trains and, you know, there's a reason kung bakit Speed yung pangalan niya. So, talo dyan si Ashton Hall, but yung aftermath talaga nitong mga trash tukan na to was something na, well, papakita ko na lang siguro sa inyo yung genesis nun. So, there are rumors na Ashton Hall is suing iShowSpeed sa kanyang isang stream na kasi ayaw tumigil ni iShowSpeed tapos na yung issue pero tumutuloy-tuloy pa rin siya. So, ang nangyari daw according to him, nawala daw yung deal niya with Nike kasi lumalaki yung brand niya sa male fitness kasi nakita natin matipuno yung katawan niya ang problema natalo siya sa isang physical na race, physical activity na racing kay iShowSpeed. So ang nangyari dahil doon nagfall through daw yung Nike Nike deal niya worth $10 million. Okay, so or maybe even more. Pakinggan natin siya.
Now, once you start, running your mouth, you better make sure that you're ready and prepared. I definitely don't believe in bluffing at all, so I knew I was going to race. The first time that I really said that I would race him, and I knew it would get some tick, was when Aiden Ross called him out on his stream. So if I could change anything, I would have taken training serious. Once you
So, well, informal naman yung racing na yun, but it's NL. Pero tumuloy pa rin pakinggan natin to. 50 million pala yung
Bro was going in. Bro called me everything. I didn't even notice in the moment because I can't control what another man does with his words. He talks a lot of trash. I know he uses.
And Ashton Hall is officially suing Speed for $50 million after losing his deal with Nike after he lost the race. Well, in my opinion, kagagawan naman niya yun kasi siya naman yung pumayag dun sa racing. But siguro yung mga choice words after. Tuloy natin to.
I was humbled, 1,000%. If you would have asked me before we got into it that I was gonna lose 4 times, absolutely not. Like, dang, bro, I didn't have to do all of that, bro. Like, why did I get on the internet and go at it with him? Like, I didn't have to do that much. Run it back, bro. Let's do it. We ran it.
Yan. So, yung stream niya nung I think sa Kick yan. But ang point doon is yun nga, magdedemanda siya kay iShowSpeed.
Why did I unfollow him after the stream?
Yan, nag-unfollow pa siya.
I'm watching the videos back and I'm like, dang, bro, what? Bro was going in. Bro called me everything. I'm not gonna...
Yun. Well, hindi kasi talaga huminto si Speed kaka-trash talk. Dapat siguro, in his opinion, dapat linimpetahan ni Speed yun. Well, that's kind of correct kasi tapos na naman yung issue yung shots afterwards ni Speed. Hindi naman niya sinisisi yung mga reaction ng tao kasi he took it Nung pagkatapos nun, sinabi niya, talo ako okay, move on na tayo. Dapat ganon. Pero si Speed, dumire-diretso pa rin until such a time na naging malaking issue siya. So, I guess, ang hinahanap ni Ashton Hall kay Speed was a little bit of, we did it your way or nagkaanuhan na tayo, dapat end na. Kasi I was fair enough to play your game. So, and I accepted the loss, kaso nga lang talaga, tumuloy-tuloy pa si Speed dun sa trash talk. And kiniklaim ni Ashton na because of those trash talks na yon dun sa, sa pag-a-analyze natin dito, nag-fall through yung Nike deal niya na worth, well, according to him, is $10 million, multi-million dollar. Of course, it's Nike, talagang malaki yon. Sayang, di ba? So, well, good luck sa kanila. Ako naman, hindi ko alam kung ano yung, of course, some lawyers already talked to this, kaya siya nandyan, tingnan mo niyo yung suot niya, di ba? Malamang nakipag-meeting yan, and sinabi na ito yung liabilities ng kabila, and of course, si Speed naman, meron naman din yung pera pang abogado. So, I guess it would be good kung titignan natin kung ano yung mangyayari rito. Kung ano yung liability ng isa't isa. Point there is that siguro sa part ni Speed, sana kumambyo siya ng konti. Pero you would expect that from someone like Speed kasi pumasok ka dun sa dun sa nakipagsabayan siya ng trash talk di ba? And nakipag-racing pa siya to someone who is named iShowSpeed. So talagang medyo expected yun. But then again, meron kasing mga batas that that protects people from unwarranted na mga, if ever, na mga disparaging words. So I guess yun yung pinaglalaban dito ni Ashton Hall. Pero ako, I would really like to see this through. Pero sana magkaayos sila. Siyempre, we want them na magkaayos-ayos and hindi na tumuloy-tuloy to. And yun lang naman yung sa akin for today. Kayo, anong sa tingin nyo? Sino ba may kasalanan talaga? Si Ashton Hall, si iShowSpeed? Ako, I don't believe na may kasalanan dito si iShowSpeed. I guess, kung natamaan yung kanyang Nike deal, it's his own doing. Sana hindi siya nakipag-racing, di ba? Yeah, malaking creator si iShowSpeed, madaling bumuse doon, madaling pag-usapan pangalan mo once madikit ka doon. But you know, what is it worth it in protecting your own brand? Yan lang naman yung sa akin for today, kaya mga lod.